Okay, so I just took apart my No.4 Mark 1 and cleaned her up a bit. All right, so not sure if the camera could see it, but there's a very faint FTR stamp, so it went through a factory thorough repair. And right here, just like barely legible, I see I see a 49. So this thing was FTR'd in 1949. Like I mentioned in the previous video, this serial number with a two-letter prefix and a 5 digits starting with 1 indicates it was made in ROF Maltby. Looks like this one was spared the wire wheel. But the barrel, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Still has a lot of its finish left, except for the front end. Front handguard is, yeah, upper front handguard is looking pretty good. I could just sand it down a bit, and just and refinish it. Oh yeah, so interestingly, there's still some cosmoline inside the handguard that I guess the Ethiopians didn't bother to clean out. Upper rear handguard, it's not in too terrible of a shape, though I might consider just getting a replacement. But you know, it still functions. Buttstock's looking pretty good. I found this old cleaning cloth and sponges inside the cavity of the buttstock. Yeah, a little bit of brass corrosion. Yeah, trigger guard's not looking bad either. Yeah, so I took some vinegar and baking soda and yeah, just removed much of the rust off the magazine. There's still some inside. Only bad news on this one is there's a puncture hole down here, but other than that, I mean, follower and spring still work okay. It's still functional. It just has that extra drainage hole. Yeah, the front barrel bands still in okay shape. I removed a lot of the rusts. Still have all the screws. I do have some bad news though. When I took off the fore end, some of the wood up here fell out. Yeah, so inside's not too bad. I didn't see a whole lot of bug carcasses here. Yeah, the splice would repair. It's coming out. Minus that, I mean, it's still largely intact. Yeah, still usable, but it has seen better days. Yeah, a bunch of gouges and wear on this side and on the other side. Might consider a replacement fore end, but overall, yeah, not too bad from Royal Tiger Imports. I mean, it was much better than my C grade No.1 Mark 3. Yeah, and I cleaned the bore a little bit, so it looks a bit better. I don't think my camera will be able to pick it up. But yeah, there's still a good rifling, albeit some pitting and some stubborn rust spots that'll probably be removed by shooting a box of ammo through it. Oh yeah, but one more thing. So yeah, there's no manufacturer year, but based on some like casual research, the based on similar serial numbers in based on serials based on similar serial numbers, it was probably made in 1943 or in 1944. But if anyone has a similar serial number sequence, feel free feel free to comment. All right. So, yep. So, yeah, this is overall, this is pretty good for the B grade No.4 Mark 1 from Royal Tiger Imports. I probably should have waited a bit because they're now going for $199. I ordered mine like in late February for about like $275. But overall, still not too bad.